What's up, guys? Castaway Adventures here. We're with Lewis frickin' Fairweather and new attendee Caleb Harper. We're gonna eat a big sandwich and go for a swim. Beautiful. Okay, guys, this is the unboxing. So, we've got our smoky chipotle mayonnaise, our aioli, not one sandwich, not two sandwiches.
Don't tell me there's three.
But three sandwiches. And
Holy mother!
And that's only
one Coke.
That's like a quarter of the whole sandwich.
One Sprite.
Did you just hand me a full sugar drink?
And
I'll smoke,
one
I'll
another
do
Sprite.
ketamine, but I will not take a full sugar drink.
So let's eat. Cheers to a sandwich.
Cheers to summer 2026.
Ew.
Tried it on my butthole, it like perfectly fits in there. It's just like
What's up, guys? This is a sponsor from Esky. This is their lunch bag. You unzip this. Unzip this. Boom. Space for not one, not two, not three, but 4 cans to fit in perfectly. You can also go here for easy access. And on the top comes with an ice pack. Thank you, Esky, for sponsoring this video. Okay, guys, we've waited 30 minutes now. Let's go for a swim, shall we?
I somehow see what's beautiful. The things that